Imagine the sleek Airbus A350 with folding wingtip. It sounds futuristic, the Airbus. Our 350 is already a marvel with its carbon fiber build, fuel-efficient engines and plush interiors. But recent mishaps have sparked a new debate too. Could folding wingtips be the answer? Consider this. The A350 has had a few runway run-ins. Remember the Japan Airlines A350 at Haneda Airport? Or the Delta A350 at Atlanta? These incidents scream for better ground maneuverability was. Enter folding wingtips. The Boeing 777X already flaunts this feature. Should the A350 follow suit? Folding wingtips could slash the risk of ground collisions and fit into tighter airport spaces. But here's the kicker. Engineering this will be pricey and complex. Think multi-million-dollar investments. Yet the benefits are tempting. More safety, more operational flexibility, and possibly more sales. Airbus already has over 900 to 350s in the skies. Imagine the boost with folding wingtips. So what's your take? Folding wingtips for the A350. Yay or nay? Drop your thoughts in the comments.